Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about universal gravitational law. So what Newton stated that every particle in the universe attracts another particle in the universe with a force that directly proportional to product of their masses, and that force inversely proportional to square of distance between their center. This is Newton's law of universal gravitation. m1 mass of the one object and this one mass of another object. So according to Newton's gravitational law, every particle attract other particle with a force that F directly proportional to product of their masses m1 into m2 and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. If we combine these two equations, we will get result. Here, force is equal to gravitational constant G m1 into m2 divided by r square. So G is the gravitational constant. Value of G is 6.674 into 10 to the power minus 11. So now we are going to find the units of G. Now we are going to derive the units of gravitational constant. G is equal to r square into F divided by m1 into m2. R means distance between their centers, so m square. F is equal to Newton force mass Newton. So Newton's means force is equal to mass kg into acceleration meter per second square divided by kg into kg cancel remain kg, so units are meter cube second minus 2 into kg minus 1. These are units of G. G is here gravitational constant. You can see here why uh, this stone having mass m1 and this pen having mass m2, not why they are not attracting to each other, why they are stationary. Think and tell me what happened because of stone and pen having mass m1 m2 m1 m2. This the force between stone and earth is too much large as compared to force between pen and stone. The force between stone and earth is too much large, so they are attracted toward each other, means stone and earth attracted toward each other, and its force is too much large as compared to force between stone and pen. So force between this force is negligible, small. That's why they are not attracting to each other.